Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. We made it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We made it. It's a wonderful day. But guys, I am up. As you can see, I am not dressed yet. I do have on a tank under here, y'all, so I am presentable, okay? Because I told y'all, I really have a thing about coming on TV, I'm gonna say. But I just got up, so I forgot last night that I said I was gonna cut some of the what's that plant called? The paradise lily. So I did trim her, and I'm gonna show y'all what she looked like right now. She's still pretty, but she's not as big as she was, because I'll show y'all the dead leaves, okay, and that'll explain it all. But this is what she looks like right now. That's her right now. So she has a new, if you can see, she's a new bloom here. There's a new one, and then here's a new one coming right here. But guys, I cut all of that out. I did. I cut all of that out because what am I trying to say? There was just all there. I could just show y'all what I'm talking about, because I don't know what this is. We'll turn some light on. I don't know what it is, but I knew what I had to do, because in order for me to have growth and have it to produce like goodness, I had to do some cutting with my scissors. So look, right here is the leaves. So here are the like pieces I had cut down all the way down in there. But this, do y'all see that? How it's like burnt on the edges? I think I showed y'all that before, but that is what I've been doing this morning. So once I'm done with that, I have to take a shower and start doing some more things. Let's see what else. Oh, I didn't show y'all I didn't show you guys how the throw looked on the bed. A lot of y'all said that what was that I had on the bed? Yeah, what's going on here? A lot of y'all said that the duvet looked like a shabby chic or something. And then as I kept looking at this stuff, I think it did. And then I didn't want like too much gray in here. I think I just bought that because it was a deal or there was a sale. So I'm learning control, y'all. I'm learning control. So I did take it off and put back, my what you call it? The down feathered looking thing. I did put that back on there. But guys, look at this beauty. This is the what is the name of this? This is the throw, the cotton throw by Madison Park. Madison Park. I actually Googled it, and it retails for, I think it said $50 something or whatever. I was surprised. I was like, oh my God, yeah. So that, and so that's how that looks. I think, what y'all think? I think it looks better. I think it looks really better. And the brownies, guys, I think I'm going to have to make more brownies, because I think I was a little rushed yesterday, but I can show y'all better than I can tell y'all. You know what? I'll show you guys later once I come back home, because I won't have enough time in the video, and I'm not trying to do no long videos, but I was going to show y'all something in the bathroom. Look, y'all. Y'all see my sign? Look, and I wrote this. Please wash your hands. And it really looks like something that you would buy at the store, kind of like the penmanship. Look at the penmanship. I did that with a marker. Y'all, I did that with a marker. So I will see you guys in a little while. I need to get myself together, get cleaned up, take a shower. I'll see you guys a little later, okay? I just wanted to fill you in on a few things, okay? We gotta get right. Hold the line, please. Get your afro poppin' today. It's Friday. Get your joy today. It's Friday. Get your peace today. It's Friday. Get your joy today. It's Friday. She's a black girl today. It's Friday. Go ahead and love yourself today. It's Friday. And that's all I got to say. Be blessed, guys. Love yourself today. Woo-hoo-wee. Be great today. You are beautiful today on Friday. Y'all know what? We've never talked about money, have we? So I think I'm gonna do something on money management one day. I'm very good with saving money. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but I mean that's kind of like personal, so you wouldn't know it. But yeah, what did y'all do with y'all stimulus check? Even though we ain't get ours yet, but you better save your money, honey. Guys, the times are falling apart. The times are coming to an end. What you gonna do with those money? What are you gonna do with that money, y'all? What did y'all do with it? Think about what you did with the money. Like, if you had to look back now and say, what I did with that money, was it worth it? Could I saved it? Could I have saved my money and did something else with it? Save it for a trip or a rainy day, or save it to escape, y'all, for real, to get out of here. Have you ever thought about that? Because y'all gotta have a plan. You gotta have a master plan. So anyway, I just wanted to mention that because we don't ever talk money on here. We don't really, I don't think. It's not a really big topic, but I do want to discuss some things on money management. So one day we're gonna do just that, okay? We're gonna do just that. We're gonna dig in to ways you can save money. So I do want to implement that on my channel a little bit, because for the most part, guys, I'm kind of debt free. Like seriously, I'm not bragging. I'm just saying I'm almost debt. I'm like really debt free. So I will see you guys because it's Friday. Hold the line, please. Show y'all something real quick. I was wiping off this mirror. I was like, let me come back and show them. Y'all see this mirror? Look at this. Vinegar and water. Add a little bit of that right here. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Vinegar and water, how quick it's easy it is. Look at this. Streak free shine. We're gonna let it dry for a minute. This is why I be making my products, y'all. This is why. Because it's cheaper. Okay? Now we just wiped the mirror, right? Let's let it dry. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Y'all, look at that. Oh, look at that. Vinegar and water. Vinegar and water. Vinegar and water. Y'all, just a little bit of vinegar and water. A little bit, just a dab of Dr. Bronner's would do you this for your life. Okay? Just want to show y'all that. Y'all, she back at it. I think I better let her go. Let her go. Oh, there's a big box out here. Oh, I don't know why somebody wouldn't put that in there. Now I got to get out the car. Y'all, she don't serve no more purpose for me. Y'all know how a man get rid of a woman, or a woman get rid of a man? She ain't got no more of them good qualities no more. Gotta let her go. I'm gonna miss my party days. Party days. Party days. Party days. I think I better let her go. Looks like another love TKO. Y'all, I gotta get out. I didn't want to get out the car. I didn't want to get out. Oh, somebody put a bag. It's a big old Creighton barrel box, paper box right here. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. Hold the line. Hold the line. Hold the line. Somebody was just rude, y'all. I thought it was something in there like to make it not close, but it was able to close. It just didn't close it back. yeah, guys, had to let her go. Had to let her go. I'm gonna miss my party days. So, guys, I'll see y'all later. Hold the line, okay? I could not wait to get home for this one. I was so wanting something besides oatmeal. So I said, ooh, we'll make a smoothie. Guys, look at that. Look good, don't it? Tastes good too. Tastes good too. Let's get us we're gonna need a big straw. What is this? Blueberries, strawberries, mango, banana, ginger, cinnamon. So good. So guys, back to what we were talking about earlier. When I was talking about debt free, I just want y'all to know I'm not talking about house, insurances, student loans. I'm not talking about houses and insurances. I'm talking about credit cards, student loans, and car notes. That's what I was talking about. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And I'm going to show you guys the brownies. I'm going to eat one because the dip she was talking about, y'all, is called Rotel dip. So that's what she makes, Rotel dip. Guys, so, oh gosh, they so, I don't know if you can tell, they're moist. See, they're moist. So she's going to take, she's gonna start off with 10, and then guess what? If they don't work, guess what? We gonna eat them. But just wanted to show y'all what they look like. I did put it on Instagram, so check out that channel as well. But yeah, it's Rotel dip that she uses to cook, and we're gonna start off with 10 brownies instead of, I think I said 15 or 20. So we're gonna just do the 10. So that's it. That's all I got for y'all today. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you guys. And guys, I will see y'all in another video. I'm really, I think I'm tired because I stayed up till like 1 o'clock in the morning. I shouldn't have did that. That happens all the time. Hold on, y'all. That happens to me all the time when I do that because it kind of gives me a headache. And so I'm gonna turn in for today early, but glad you guys took some time out of your day to hang out with me. And I will see y'all tomorrow, okay? I love y'all, and remember, love yourself so that you love others. And it's Friday. Y'all make y'all smoothie, all right? I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.